Citigroup versus TD Bank, which is right for you? We'll compare these banking giants to help you choose. Find links to both banks below. Citigroup is a global powerhouse offering personal, business, and investment services. It excels with international needs, featuring worldwide ATM access and multi-currency accounts. Its credit cards offer travel rewards and perks for frequent travelers. Its online banking platform includes international transfers and wealth management tools. TD Bank focuses on personalized, community banking in the US and Canada. Known for convenience, it offers extended branch hours, great customer service, and various products, from checking accounts to mortgages. TD shines with user-friendly mobile banking and personalized financial advice. Its credit cards cater to everyday spending, and its TD Beyond checking eliminates fees for higher balances. For digital banking, Citigroup offers advanced tools for international transactions and investments. TD Bank prioritizes simplicity for everyday use. Need a global network, specialized credit cards, or wealth management? Choose Citigroup. Prefer convenient, personalized, local banking? Choose TD Bank. Find the perfect bank for you using the links below.